Hello, how are you? How much? I haven't been here in years. How much is it?
10 for admission, and if you need skates, it's 5.
I need admission and skates.
Okay. I'm gonna have you fill out that waiver too. You doing cash?
I'm doing cash.
Okay, it's 15.
15? And what waiver, sweetie?
That waiver over there on the.
I gotta push it. So I'm gonna go get some skates. Hello, how are you? Pretty good. I haven't been here in a long time, so I don't even. Is this where you get the skates from?
Oh no, you get the skates right.
I'm sorry. Hello, how are you? All right, I can get some skates. Okay. Size 12. This is a judgment-free zone.
Some girls come get a 15.
Oh, Jesus. Excuse me. Excuse me. I didn't get a ticket or a stamp. I'm sliding around. I'm barely getting it. This high. And then when I come around, get a full body shot. Thank you. I think it's already recorded. Yep.
Yep, I see.
All right. Okay. Now skate a little bit behind me.
Okay.
Come on.
I got the bag, but I don't want to get the I need to get right up here.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I want to see if I can get both of y'all in there.
You said what?
Better grip with this cork.
I gotta build it up?
A better grip. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it is. And with all this okay, so I just left abruptly, y'all. I was outside in my shoes. I mean, in my socks. They started fighting. You ain't got to tell me twice. You ain't got to tell me twice. So yeah, somebody had bumped into somebody and it started an altercation, and I didn't stick around to find out where that was gonna go.
As I walked away, you charged me $20 twice.
Okay. One
Can you
second.
just look in, really follow up for me, please?
Yeah, just 1 second.
Like, finish what you're doing, but just make sure you didn't like do something on accident.
Okay. Anything else, ladies?
Nope, that's it.
Okay, so I got you at 1850.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bro, is that gonna be enough? We had a rough night. We was running.
You got that right. You drinking that? Where you doing it?
I don't.
Okay.
That's for you.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
I was trying to see if I want to pee a lot. It's so cold.
That would have been cute. That would have been cute. Okay. That's not good. Okay, okay, girl. Okay. So if you're new to my channel, then you know that I have to break up the music in order for YouTube not to give me a copyright strike. Okay, so that's why the music has to have intermissions, or I could just do a voiceover over it like I'm doing. But I apologize if that's annoying or if it's unbearable. But for me, it's the only way to get it done. That's why I said no, no. Oh, I'm gonna go in there. What is that? Family. Oh, this is gorgeous. Yes, yes. Hungry?
No,
Where the sweet stuff
I'm
is?
not hungry. The what?
The crustacean cake.
What cake and pie is it?
The crustacean that made us famous. Burgers, cheeseburger.
But he's, you sure?
I'm videoing, yeah. Ooh, tiramisu. Take a bag. And the man said that she couldn't take her drink.
No, he said he couldn't take it.
Yeah, he said you couldn't take yours outside. What is that?
Diet Pepsi.
What is that?
Banana pudding.
Okay. So I think I'm gonna purchase some skates on my own and get more practice in before I go back to the rink.